In this video, I want to explain how can you make cough syrup by using honey and onion. How can you make cough syrup by using honey and onion? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So let's begin. So after making the syrup, so the syrup, it contains onion, also it contains honey. So all these ingredients which are mixed together have their benefit in a person having cough. So it is like this. Honey has antibacterial properties, has anti-inflammatory properties, also has antioxidant properties. So it is very beneficial in a patient having cough. But also we have onion. Onion has antioxidant properties. These antioxidants are very beneficial in a patient having cough. But also onion has the ability to clear the mucus or to make the mucus to become thin, hence helping the patient who having cough to cough the sputum, and also help in clearing of the respiratory system. But also when you talk about onion, onion also has a lot of electrolytes, and these electrolytes are beneficial in hydration of the patient who is ill. So it is like this. This syrup, it is beneficial, but it is beneficial in a patient having ordinary cough. For example, cough due to virus and some bacteria, but not all, because there are so many causes of cough. For example, a patient having pneumonia can cough, a patient having asthma can cough, also a patient having lung cancer, a patient having TB can cough. So that's just an example of conditions or diseases in which a patient can cough. So it means that not all causes of cough can be treated by this cough syrup. There are others. It means that you just go to the hospital. You need to go to the hospital for more medical management. For example, a patient having cough due to TB or cough due to lung cancer. It means that even if you take this cough syrup, it won't be beneficial. But this cough syrup is beneficial in a patient just due to ordinary cough. So let me know if you've ever used this syrup in the comment section below. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like and don't forget to comment. Thank you.